Don't press, This is my house. Don't touch.
Are you taking a video? Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Okay, move it. Okay, move it. Dang, dang.
Oh wow, this is so cool.
This is so cool, right?
Whoa.
Okay, now come. Come. Okay. Oh yeah.
It's a bit cramped.
Oh,
Can you pack in here?
Okay.
Careful, why?
And then this door have to close.
Okay.
Just close like that. And you can close this one.
Whoa.
Then just press. Oh no.
Oh wow. Dang, dang, dang.
Look at this. This is very interesting. I never
You're gonna take this 10 times today.
I use 4 times, 5 times.
Oh.
Nice. Okay, and then it's manual, yeah? Not auto. Okay. Right, so this is my dining area.
It's quite big, right?
Okay. This is my dining area. Okay, come.
Oh.
Have a seat, you can sit down. Yeah, but you have to be quiet because my customers are all inside the room, yeah? Okay, sure.
Who are you guys? You want to say something about your room?
Our room is great. It's cold. The bed is nice. Hot. That's good.